on my shopping list. This bag is killing me. It's probably all my book supplies and fun stuff like that. Oh man. Alright, we need to get pizza, chips, calm, eggs, and peas. Alright.
Don't forget to pick up something for the cat.
My cat is at home. Oh. Oh my.
What do you got in that bag? What? Oh my goodness! There's a kitty cat in there!
Come here. Come here. You okay? You okay? Oh. Oh, I just found this kitty in the street.
Oh, you rescued him? He looks like a little sweet kitty. Put your hand in there.
Let him bite it.
See what he does. Hi. He likes that bag, huh? Hi.
He also likes the refrigerator.
How do you know?
He's been on our refrigerator. Trust me.
No way.
Well, that was my video, and bye-bye.